Are you kind of keep seeing Netflix as an encounter an error called UI-800-3 whenever you're trying to stream Netflix on a smart TV? Now, although it's frustrating, but it's actually very easy to fix. So let's go ahead and walk you through all the best possible ways to solve it. So for that, first, you need to try clearing Netflix app cache on a smart TV, as this error code mainly happens when Netflix is having trouble loading the app because some saved data. So like us, if you're using a Google TV, to the quick settings, let's navigate yourself to settings. From there, go to app section, choose apps, and then select Netflix, and then just click clear cache or data as well and confirm with OK. Now, if it doesn't work, like you don't have a clear cache option on your smart TV, you can also perform a power cycle or cold boot. Just plug out your TV, wait for around 3 to 5 minutes, and then plug it back in. Turn on the TV, go to Netflix, and check if it's working or not. Now, another reason this might also happen if the Netflix app has a pending update. So just go ahead and go to your streaming store or Play Store, search for Netflix, and if there is any pending update, just go ahead and install it. Now, after the update, you can also try signing out your Netflix account, wait for a couple of minutes, and then just sign back in. Give it a few times to settle down, load everything, and see if the problem is solved. Just in case if this error randomly comes and goes. From the Play Store or streaming store, you can just uninstall and then reinstall your Netflix app. And that should alone fix this issue. Along with that, if your TV system software is not up to date, Netflix can show different types of error if the device configuration is outdated or corrupted. So depending on your TV brand, just go ahead, take a quick check if there is a pending TV OS update. So these are all the easiest ways to fix Netflix error code UI-800. Any question, remarks, just put that down below in the comment section. We'll get back to you. Thanks for your time.